In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can activate your Chase debit card. So when we get a new debit card, it needs to be activated before we start putting it to use. So activating the card also notifies the bank that it was received. And these are the basic key security measures to keep your account safe. So how you can activate your Chase debit card online or digitally. So you just need to find the URL provided on the activation sticker that you will see on the front of your physical debit card, or sign in to your bank's website. This may vary from bank to bank. So have your debit card ready or prepared, as you may need information on the card to activate it. So just follow the prompts that is provided to you by the URL or the website to finalize your card's activation. Again, you need to find the URL in the activation sticker, and also you just need to sign into your bank's website and just follow the prompts to finalize the card's activation. Again, that's how you can activate your debit card or your Chase debit card online easily, and thank you for listening.